Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this viral question 8 divided by 2 parenthesis 2 plus 2. If you think that 8 divided by 2 into 4 and 8 divided by 8 which equals to 1, then this answer will be wrong. So if you have already solved this question, go in the comment and comment the right answer. I will solve this in stepwise method with PEMDAS rule. So first our question is 8 divided by 2, 2 plus 2. Now as we know, we will do the parenthesis part first. So our question is become 8 divided by 2 into 2 plus 2 which equals to 4. As we know, according to PEMDAS, division and multiplication have the same priority, and in that case we solve from left to right. So first we will solve for 8 divided by 2 part. So when we divide 8 divided by 2, we will get 4. Now we'll repeat same, and 4 into 4 which is equal to 16. So if you want more maths question like this, subscribe our channel for more videos like this and go and check out in the description for best math books. Thanks for watching.